Good evening, all of you. Welcome, you guys. Welcome you all. How you are doing, everybody? First of all, you tell me now here. I think we are in live. Is my audio videos clear to all of you? Tell me first of all. Is the audio videos clear to everybody? Yeah. Chalo, let's continue our discussions, all of you. Yes. And before this, we have a great announcement from Unacademy. Unacademy, so which is there is a very great opportunity for the aspirants of 2024 and 2025. There is a chance to get up to 50% of discount. Yes, you can avail up to 50% of discount. For the 6 months we have taken, will get additionally 1 month. 12 months will get additionally 2 months, and 15 months 3 months, 24 months 4 months. There is chance to get up to 48% for the student who is taking the 15 month scholarship in plus as well as a iconic also. You can use the code of BWREDDY to avail these great opportunities. Use the code of BWREDDY to avail these great opportunities. Right. Now these are the plus benefits you can see. So plus benefits, high quality printed notes available for the iconic subscriptions, one-to-one mentorship, customized doubt solving. You can find the top educators, and there is chance to get 50% of the discount. This is offer is valid up to November 9th only. Do join the sessions immediately to avail this great offer. And from the November 9th onwards, I am starting the EMFT revision course. I am starting, and so that is November 9th onwards. You can find the top educators team, you can find in the single frame. Now, so as the digital logic course is running right now, from the October 31st onwards it was started, and you can do join this revision course also. And these are the plus benefits. You can see raise the hand options, class doubts, in class polls. You can directly talk with the faculty, daily practice, communities, learn from comfort of your home, study material, unlimited access, and top educators. These are the plus features. And you can plan the Unacademy subscription with no cost EMI. Without paying any additional charges, you can able to avail it. And these are the top rankers from the GATE 2023 from Unacademy team. Right. So let's continue our discussions. The previous classes we have completed up to 64 questions we have completed. The students who are not joined the earlier courses, do complete those courses. I have taken the 3 classes I have taken on YouTube, and 3 classes I have taken in the special classes. Take this next one here. See the problem. The 8-bit shift register and the D flip-flop shown in figure below is synchronized with the same clock. The D flip-flop is initially cleared. Now they ask him to find the circuit will behaves as what? How the circuit behaves they asking. Look at now here. So if we talk about the working here, this is B7. Initially output of this flip-flop is how much, you tell me? 0. This output will behaves like an input for this XOR gate. And this B7 it will directly will go to here also. And this the XOR gate is a combinational logic. For that there is no need of any requirement of clock, isn't it? the moment inputs are available, we'll get the output now here. So how much this output here? This is B7, and the B7 will come here. But ये B7 ये रजिस्टर के अंदर जाने के लिए क्लॉक रिक्वायर्ड, ये रजिस्टर अंदर जाने के लिए क्लॉक रिक्वायर्ड. If we apply one clock pulse, you tell me, if we apply first clock pulse, what happens the scenario? So then the moment when you apply, B6 इधर जाएगा, so B5 इधर आएगा, B4 like this shifting होगा ना. So tell me now here, this is B6 will come, and this is what, tell me, B5, next B4, B3, B2, B1, B0, and the B7 इधर join होगा. This is at the first clock here, clock 1 पर ये situation आई. Next second clock पर क्या होगा? You see, second clock पर क्या होने वाला? This is B7. When the clock is applied at this instant, a B7 output will come it as B7. Now tell me, at that instant here, you tell me, this is the B6, here will come B6. What happens now here? This is B7 XOR with B6 बनेगा. Yes, this is input is readily available, but लेकिन ये B7 XOR B6 अंदर आने के लिए, so we need clock is required or not? So if you see here, can you tell me now here, after one clock pulse, first clock pulse we have seen, this is the clock 1. So tell me now what happens we have seen. This is B6, B5, B4, B3, B2, B1, B0, and this is B7 इधर आएगा. Next when you apply second clock पर क्या होगा? Tell me. B5 इधर आएगा, B4, B3, B2, B1, B0, B7, and what else you will tell me? B7 XOR with B6 होगा. Next third clock पर क्या होगा? You tell me now. B4, this is B3, B2, B1, B0, B7, next B7 XOR with B6, and B6 XOR with B5 बनेगा. ये समझ में आया ना ये लॉजिक? नेक्स्ट फोर्थ क्लॉक पल्स B3, B2, B1, B0, B7, B7 XOR with B6, B6 XOR with B5, next B5 XOR with B4 बनेगा. फिफ्थ क्लॉक B2, B1, B0, B7, B7 XOR with B6, B6 XOR with B5, B5 XOR with B4, and B4 XOR with B3. Next sixth clock पर B1, B0, B7, B7 XOR with B6, B6 XOR with B5, B5 XOR with B4, B4 XOR with B3. After that, what tell me? B3 XOR with what tell me? B2. Next, 7th clock per B0, B7, yes, B7 XOR with B6, B6 XOR with B5, B5 XOR with B4, B4 XOR with B3, B3. ये लॉजिक आपको समझ में आया होगा. This is B2 XOR with B1. Next, 8th clock per this is B7, B7 XOR with B6, B6 XOR with B5, B5 XOR with B4, B4 XOR with B3, B3 XOR with B2. Understood this thing? B2 XOR with B1, B1 XOR with B0. Check this thing. We'll get like this. So can you expect now what is this logic, you tell me? So if we have given, let us consider you have given something B7, this is B6, B5, this is B4, B3, B2, B1, B0 is given. You tell me now here, they given, let us say this is a binary form given. So if I want to convert into gray, tell me now what we can do here. If I want to convert into gray, so what I should do here? B7. Next, what I should do here? XOR between these two. What will do? XOR between these two will do or not? Smiley remembered. B7 XOR with B6. Thereafter XOR between these two. B6 XOR with B5. Next, what tell me? XOR between these two. That is B5 XOR with B5 XOR with B4. Next, B4 XOR with B3. Isn't it like this we should do or not? That is exactly same thing, you see. That is exactly same thing or not? You can see. That is exactly same thing only now. This one. So from this, what I can say now here? This is nothing but what? What we can say from this? This is nothing but what? Tell me. Binary to gray code converter. Binary to gray code converter, isn't it? Done. Now tell me this problem. There is same thing as earlier problem. The 8-bit left shift register and D flip-flop shown in figure below is synchronized with the same clock. The D flip-flop is initially cleared. Okay. If the initial register contains the byte, they given us like this. Now B7 means B value. B means how much this value? 13. How much this value? Tell me. 10117 0111. अभी ने हमने देखा. So this is nothing but what, tell me, binary to gray code converter, isn't it? Now you tell me now here first clock. So here what we have, tell me, 1 0 1 1 and 0 1 1 1 1. So tell me now here first clock. First clock. Tell me the clock 1, what happens, tell me here. This will be go there 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. This B7 will come here. Next second clock, what happens, tell me. 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Now the XR between these two, now tell me, it will come it as a 1. All of you. Next for third clock. So this will go to there 1 0 1 1. Next 1 1 1 XR is what, tell me, 0 banega. Isn't it? Just now we have seen this example, you can see. They are talking about the after fourth clock, they are saying. Hmm. This is the scenario, tell me. This is the first clock will happen like this now here. And the second clock you see here. At the second clock, this is the scenario. B7 XR with B6. So B7, this is the B7 now. So here 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. That is happening now, tell me, B7 XR with B6. Next what, tell me, B6 with B5. B6 with B5. So B6 means this thing now here. What I will get to, tell me now here. 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. Got it? Next fourth clock, you see this thing here. So this is 0 1 1 1. XR between these two. What I will get to, tell me, 1 1 1 hmm? Seven. कोई गलत किया क्या इधर, चेक करो. This is what, tell me now, B7. This is B6, B5, B4, B3, B2. Taken, how many ones I have taken? More ones I have taken, yeah, okay. This is B2, this is B1 and this is B0. Tell me now first clock what happened? 0 1 1 0. Tell me 1 1 1 1. Right. Second clock is what, tell me? 1 1 0 1. Tell me 1 1 1. So this XR is 1. Next here 1 0 1 and this is 1. tell me we'll get 0. So this is 1 1 1 0. Next clock if we apply, tell me what happens. 0 1 1 1. Next one is XR is what, tell me. 1 1 1 1 0 1. Check it here. कुछ गलत किया क्या? First one here. So what I'll get, tell me now here. This is B6, sorry, B7. B6 here. Next this is B5, B4, B3. Okay. Next what, tell me. B2, B2, B1, B0 and B7 will come. Next one is what, tell me now. B5, B4, B3, B2. Next what, tell me here. This is B1, B0, B7 and this is B7 XR with what, tell me. B6. Next third clock, tell me now what I'll get. B4, B3, B2, B1, B0, B7, B7 XR with B6, B6 XR with what, tell me. B5. Next one is B3, B2, B1, B0. Now this is B7, B7 XR with B6, B6 XR with B5. Next B5 XR with what, tell me. B4. So you can see now here B3. So this answer which will be B3 means what, tell me. 0 1 1 1. B7 is 1. B7 XR with these two here. How much you tell me? 1. B6 these two which is equal to 1. Isn't it? B5 these two XR is what, tell me now. 0. You see this thing, how much this value? This is the 7. This value how much? So yeah, 14. 14 means what, tell me. E na. 14 means how much this value? E. Same thing we got it. This manner. So which we have seen. B6 which are getting, this is 0. Yes. 1 1 0. Okay. 1 1 1 1. This is what, tell me. 1 1 0 1. Okay. 1 1 1. Yeah, tell me now here. B6 XR with B7. So is what, tell me. These two XR which I will get it as what, is 0. This is 1. Either this is what, tell me. 1 0 1 1 1 1 1. Here B7 XR with B6 will get now here. Next this is what, tell me. B6. This is what, tell me here. So this value which is equal to B6 XR with this thing which I will get. Yes, this value which is 1. Okay. Now this is what, tell me. 0 1 1 1. Now tell me now this is 1 1 1. Now this is XOR with B5, B5 with B4. So these two XOR. So here this says we will get it 0. Right. So then what's the answer? Tell me. 7E. Problem this one. Yeah, you can tell me now this thing. The given flip-flop, each flip-flop has a propagation delay of 8 nanoseconds. The worst case delay they are asking. Tell me the delay now, worst case delay they are saying here. You tell me the worst case, how much it is, each delay given as a 8. Tell me the overall delay, how many flip-flops are there? 3. So we can say NTPD, asynchronous counter na NTPD, n value 3 into what we can say 8 nanoseconds. This value 24 nanoseconds. Got it? Next, 68. If the counter starts at 0 0, what will be the count after 13 clock pulses? After 13 clock pulses they are asking for that. First of all, we need to see the marked. It is what type of counter here? Asynchronous counter. It is what type of counter? Asynchronous counter. Yes, up or down counter you see. Q. That clock is going to here. So Q and this is negative 8. So this is minus Q. Means this is a दुख है ना, दुख के बाद क्या आएगा? सुख आएगा. दुख के बाद क्या आएगा? सुख आएगा. So mean this is what? Tell me. Up counter. Okay. So this is okay. So this is a mod 8 counter you see. Now 0th clock which we have the states are what? Tell me. 0 0 0 they are staying. Now 8th clock complete state will repeat again 0 0 0. 8th clock 9 10 they are asking. How many clock they are asking now here? 13. So here 9th clock, 10th clock, 11th one, 12th one and 13th one. 9th clock up counter now here means what we can say 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1. So this is option B, 5. Next, in master slave JK flip flop, one is a positive level, the second one is a negative level. So कौन सा option now here? Master is a positive level, slave is a negative level. Right, take the next problem. Look at now here what is going here, JK flip flop. Here this what I will get now here, tell me this is B into X bar, B into X bar whole bar, NAND gate now here. And so this means again, so that means Ka. What is the Ka going, you tell me? Which is equal to Bx bar, isn't it? Next, Ja. What about Ja? Tell me now here. This is Bx bar whole bar. Okay. This is Yes, B bar X whole bar. Again NAND gate. So mean JA, which is going as what, tell me? This is BX bar whole bar into B bar X whole bar. This whole bar. So this means what I will get now? JA, tell me now here. This is BX bar plus what, tell me now here? B bar into X. That is JA. Right. So from this we can get the expression. We have to get the JK flip flop. What we will get the JK flip flop now here? That is Q plus. That is A plus they called. Means what, tell me now here? Q plus, which is equal to what, tell me? JQ bar plus what, tell me? K bar into Q. Here they given this is Q plus, which is equal to JQ bar mean JA. So this is what, tell me now? JA Q bar means what we can say? This is previous state A bar plus KA K bar into what, tell me now? A. This is Q plus, which is equal to what, tell me? JA given as what, tell me? JA given as BX bar plus B bar X into A bar plus KA, that is BX bar whole bar into A. Check this thing here and simplify it. Yes, it is little bit of lengthy. Simplify now here. What I'll get now here? Q plus means if we multiply this thing here. No, check the options now what they multiplied or not. I think he didn't multiply it. So then this is A bar into BX bar plus B bar into X plus. So this is B bar plus X into A. So this is nothing but in place of Q plus they given as, we can take it as A plus. And hoga, you see this thing here, A bar into BX bar, this thing. Yes or no? So option A. We can eliminate the option. Right. Next, the minimum number of D flip-flops needed to design a mod 258 counter. So how many flip-flops required now here? Yes, 2 power 8. How much is value? 256 only, na? That means 8 flip-flops are not sufficient. 9 flip-flops are required. Right, well. JK flip-flop can be implemented by using T flip-flop as JK flip-flop is implemented by using T flip-flop. How we can implement now? Tell me JK flip-flop. JK flip-flop से हमको T flip-flop चाहिए. So how we can do JK flip-flop से T flip-flop? No, JK चाहिए हमको. So T flip-flop, JK flip-flop का characteristic equation बोलो here. That is what I can say. JQ bar plus K bar into Q. K bar into Q. दिस इज द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन. सो यू कैन वेरीफाई दिस थिंग. कहाँ से ये इक्वेशन मिलेगा हमको. ओके. अगर ऑप्शन ए हमने वेरीफाई किया तो सो ऑप्शन ए टी क्या है बोलो इधर. सो व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग नाउ हियर, this is t is equal to j q bar plus that is k bar into q. K bar into q. Hmm. So means what we can say, T flip flop characteristic equation is what, tell me? T XR Q na. So what I will get now here, this thing. So this is Q plus, which is equal to T bar into Q plus T into Q bar. So check the option, कौन सा option satisfy होगा, you see. And now this is what we can say here, J Q bar plus k bar into q for this whole bar into q plus t. T is what, tell me now here, j q bar plus k bar into q into q bar. So we go to the next page. What I am getting now here, q plus, which is equal to j q bar plus k bar into q whole bar into q plus j q bar plus k bar into q into q bar. So tell me now here, q plus हमको क्या मिलेगा. This is j bar plus q into k plus q bar into q plus complement ले लिया, multiply this thing j q bar plus this is 0. Here we can say 1, 2, 3, sorry. This is 3, this is 4. If we apply the T2 here, 1, 4, 2, 3 now here. So this is KQ plus J bar Q bar into Q plus what, tell me now here, JQ bar will come. So which is equal to KQ plus 0 plus JQ bar. So this is not the characteristic equation, वो तो गलत है. So option A is wrong. Option B. Option B में JQ plus K bar into K into Q bar. So here this is what the T going here, JQ plus K into Q bar. Now tell me the characteristic equation here, which is given as T XR Q means what we can say, tell me, T bar into Q and T into Q bar. So it is Q plus, which is equal to T bar into Q. What I will get now here, JQ plus, so this is K into Q bar whole bar into Q plus JQ plus KQ bar into Q bar. So plus, which I will get this as J bar plus Q bar into K bar plus Q into Q plus, if you multiply, this first term is 0 and second term KQ bar will come na. Again if we apply the 1, 2, 3 4 T2. What I will get the cube for here, tell me. So 1423, that is k bar into q bar plus j bar q into q plus what, tell me, k q bar. So that is q plus, which is equal to what, tell me, 0 j bar into q plus k into q bar. Yes, we got it now here. So that's why here the option C. Yes, simplifications. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेटिव सा है, सो इससे करना पड़ेगा. Effective, if the input to the toggle mode flip-flop is 100 megahertz, the final output of the 3T flip-flops in cascade is. So obviously it is a 3 flip-flop we have cascaded, it will become a mod 8 counter now. So this is a mod 8 counter. So that means output frequency which will becomes what, tell me, f clock by mod number means 8. How much this value, tell me, 100 megahertz by mod number is 8. So how much this value, tell me, 12.4 megahertz. Done. Okay. Done. Okay. Fine. Yeah, that's for the today's session, and we'll meet in the next sessions. The next session will complete the remaining problems. Okay then, see you. Bye bye. Good night.